So this is the completed article we were able to get back by using this method. In terms of word count, this is more than 4000 words. So this is a very long article that we were able to generate, and it really didn't take us that long to generate this article. So I'm very impressed by this method, and it's very effective, allowing you to generate long, high quality articles using AI. To write this article today, we are going to use the AI tool, AI writer called Harpa AI. So there's a couple of ways we can use this Harpa AI to write this article. The first way is just by accessing the Harpa AI extension. If you don't have this Chrome extension, I will leave a link for it below. But once you have it installed, you just hit the Ctrl A button or the Alt A button on Windows, and Harpa AI extension will show up. And once you have the extension open up, there are a couple of different prompts in what you can use. We have the Outrank SEO article, which allows you to create articles that outrank your competitors with an in-depth and SEO optimized article. In order to use this prompt, we need to go on a website or a weblog page in which we are trying to outrank. For this example, we will be trying to create an article that outranks this specific article by the Motley Fool, which is the 5 ways to earn passive income in Canada. So we'll go ahead and open up the Chrome extension, and then we are going to use the Outrank SEO article, and I'm not going to write the name of your product or shortly describe it. I'm just going to go ahead and click enter, and Harpa AI is going to read this page, and then it's going to write us a new and unique article. Okay, so this is the output that we were able to get back from Harpa AI. As you can see, it was very quick, but it's not long by any means. It's about 600 words, so a little bit less in terms of the target word length in that we are going for. But we can see here that it's pretty well written article. The best thing about this tool is you don't want to just replicate content from your competitors. You want to create content that's much better than your competitors if you like to outrank. So I would be very careful with using this mode. You can probably use this method and combine it with a content rewriter, or you can expand it using ChatGPT. But to write a blog post in Harpo, I am not recommending this method. So if you would like to access some more content generation specific templates, just head over to the copywriting section. As you can see here, we have a variety of different ways in which we can generate a full article. We have the article outline markdown or the article outline. So this will create a content outline for article you're using. Then you can go ahead and tell the AI to generate the full article. I am using that outline. You also have the blog post from the topic, which will create a blog post from the given topic. But again, I would be very careful when using those one-shot blog post generators, because you don't really get a long and in-depth content. So now let's go ahead and start by using the article outline, and we will generate an outline for this specific blog post in which you are trying to rank for. Okay, so now we are going to paste the article title here, and it should give us a nice outline. Now here's the full outline in which we got back. As we can see here, the word count is between 2,000 to 3,000 words, which is pretty long. We have the intro, we have some specific blog post sections, we have an FAQ, and we have a conclusion. So I would consider this to be a very good outline. So once you generate your article outline, just hit the slash icon, and now head over to copywriting, and then you can go ahead and generate sections for that specific outline in which you created using this article section prompt. Now again, I'm going to paste that prompt. And now let's go ahead and read the instructions. So we need to copy and paste below a single section of the article outline. So we have already generated our outline. Now all you need to do is copy the section. And now we are going to go ahead and click enter. Okay, just like that, you can complete all the sections. And now here we get the introduction. And here we get some FAQs. Okay, so here we have got some pretty good output here. I have continued doing the same method like introduction section, which is copying each section and pasted it one by one. If the AI stops writing mid-sentences, go ahead and enter continue, and it should continue writing. So here is the full output in which we are able to get back much longer than when we used that one-shot blog post prompt that was included within the Harpa AI extension. So now let's go ahead and do a quick copy to see how long this content was. So this is the completed article in which we were able to get back by using that method on Harpa AI, and in terms of word count, this is more than nearly 4,000 words. So this is a very long article that we were able to generate, and it really didn't take us that long to generate this article. Okay, now let's go ahead and run it through a quick plagiarism tracker and also an AI detection tool to see how it kind of stacks up in comparison with plagiarized content and with AI content. So in terms of its AI detection score, it is 100% AI detected. I kind of expected that because we really didn't do any prompt engineering, but again, I wouldn't worry too much about that number. In terms of plagiarism, it is plagiarized, which is not too bad by any means, but of course you would like this to be a little bit lower, especially if you are going to be posting this onto a blog post. So I would definitely go ahead and rewrite some of this content before posting it onto my blog post or my website, so you can easily do that too. But overall, as you can see, it was very easy for us to generate a high quality in-depth article using only Harpa AI. So I hope this video helped you. If you want to learn more about these kind of cool new AI tools, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Let's meet with another video. Have a great week.